Did you know that you are not made up of only human cells? Some estimates suggest you actually contain more foreign cells than your own. These foreign cells include a variety of microorganisms like fungi, small single-celled animal-like organisms called protozoa, bacteria, and even viruses. But not the creepy, crawly, scary ones you tend to think of, but rather healthy, essential microorganisms you absolutely need to survive, thrive, and live a life full of health. Collectively, this ecosystem is known as your microbiome. Just like in nature, a healthy ecosystem means every organism is interacting in a balanced, harmonious, and healthy way. Humans, with their incredible variety of microbes and cells, are the exact same. When your microbiome is healthy and balanced, this intricate ecosystem works at its best and helps you stay healthy. But maintaining a healthy microbiome is easier said than done. Simple things like everyday stress, poor diet, overuse of antibiotics and other medications, environmental toxins, lack of sleep, travel, and not exercising all can disrupt the harmony of your microbiome. Simple things like eating a healthy, fiber-rich diet full of fruits and vegetables, getting enough sleep, exercising, consuming fermented foods, and even supplementing with these things can be great ways to support your microbiome. Caring for this intricate ecosystem is important. Support it so it can support you back and help you enjoy the healthy life you were meant to live.